Have you ever thought what transforms a simple product into an essential part of customer daily lives? What's the magic behind design that contact with us on a deeper level? I'm Nataliya Sambir, the chief designer at Linkup Studio, and today I'm here to share with you my experience in product design and give you a piece of advice on how you can create your product to serve both business goals and customer needs. Let's first unpack the meaning of product design. This process involves a deep research, creative brainstorming, careful design crafting, and continuous upgrading. The design team goals is to create solutions that would effectively address user problems and meet user demands in the market. Each point is a definition above matters. I would illustrate this with one interesting case from Google+. Long story short, after Google+ was launched, it made users struggle with forced integration with existing Google service. Many users found it confusing. Additionally, Google+ had complex features and lack of a unique value proposition against the background of the popular Facebook and Twitter at that time. Even after new redesign and feature updates, Google still saw users resisting at the platform due to low engagement and the usage. They eventually had to close the platform at 2019. Therefore, even a big company name and huge budget for product design and development don't mean you will be successful. Product design definition includes solving problems for user and meeting customer needs. From our experience at Linkup Studio, we have seen many companies and founders trying to build their business without proper research. Most of them didn't succeed. Even the best design that follow all the rules can fail if it doesn't meet the real needs of customers, market demands, and the true value of the product. Product stakeholders, managers, and the design team need to understand the product target audience. What works the best is when product creators understand the customer's everyday lives and habits, know what problems they face and what they expect from the product. As such, the design is good when people don't have to think about it. They just use it on regular basis and it helps them to live their lives better. If you want to learn more about meaning of the product design research phase, check out our article on how to make it great and avoid top mistakes. Design is a journey that doesn't end with the product launch. The launch only makes a new phase where the real work begins. It involves close monitoring the product performance, getting user feedback, and making improvements. It's about iterating the design that suits user needs better based on real-world interaction and analytics. Let's look at some numbers. According to a study by McKinsey, a company that improves the usability of its website can boost sales by 25%. Businesses that really focus on design tend to perform better. They earn about 1/3 more revenue and provide shareholders with over half more returns than others. Also, there is the first impression factor. Researches from 80 ways show that it takes a person only 50 milliseconds to form an opinion about product. So the design needs to look good and communicate what the product is all about right way. Many of our clients approach us with products that weren't connecting with their users. This leads them to low conversion, poor performance, and usability issues. Our designers prove the product design used many times and helps them to better user engagement, satisfaction, and business performance. Research is the base of effective product design. At Linkup Studio, the process begins with understanding the product owner's goals, then we shift to a deep understanding of the needs, preferences, and pain points of the end users. In each product we work on, we closely collaborate with the client to find out the balance between business objective and user expectation. If the balance is missed, it may lead the company to financial losses or losing the user base. Let me tell you a story about how we look for a balance working with a reverse mobile app. Initially, we introduced onboarding and premium subscriptions after second opening of the mobile app. We didn't want to push too much at the client at once, like asking for permission, signing up, or learning how app works all in one session. But then we have collect new market data that show increased conversion after an effective onboarding process after the first app opening. So we try it out and it worked. Our subscription sales went up by 40%, but the team faced a bit lower retention rates, and we are working on fixing this moment. In the end, our design team and the client found a way to meet customer needs and still reach business goals. From our initial research, we often pinpoint areas needing urgent improvement. We had a case where a potential client came to us with a concept about broken booking flow on their real estate platform. Upon the audit, we discovered that the booking flow was simple and intuitive and didn't require major changes. But curiously, we identified that the real issue could lie in the marketing key messages. The key message was unclear about service being offered, failing to provide a clear understanding what user would receive after booking. This confusion led customer to leave a platform. So instead of first diving into redesign, we advise our client to focus on refining the messages in their marketing campaigns. If you need help with a fresh perspective in your product design, don't hesitate to reach out to me. At Linkup Studio, we specialize in user interface, user experience, interaction design, and service design. Each of these disciplines belong to some types of product design and play a key role in a product lifecycle, and this interaction with the user. The definition of UI design is to create interfaces that are not just visual stunning, but also intuitive. In UX design, we make user experience meaningful, but focusing on solving problems and creating product using habits. Interaction design is about creating engaging dialogue between the user and the product. Service design is a type of product design that extends beyond the digital interface. It covers the entire customer journey, making sure they have the seamless experience from the first point of contact with the service in ongoing engagement. In conclusion, product design is an ongoing journey of innovation, empathy, and understanding. This is about creating products that resonate, connect, and make difference in people's lives. Start bringing your vision to life and evolving a product so it truly matters to users with Linkup Studio today. Thank you for joining me in exploring the world of product design. Ask in the comment and hit the like and subscribe button to hear more insights about digital product design. Bye-bye!